Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zach.
Hello, Zach. Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. I'm very happy to be here today.
Me too, Zoe. It's always nice to sit down, talk slowly, and just enjoy a good conversation.
Yes, exactly. Like two friends talking and sharing stories.
Before we start, I just want to say thank you to everyone who is listening today.
Yes, thank you so much. We really appreciate you.
Zoe, how are you today? How is your day going so far?
My day is going pretty well. I woke up a little early this morning.
Oh, really? Are you an early morning person?
Not always, but today I woke up early because I was thinking about something.
Thinking about something? That sounds interesting. What were you thinking about?
I was thinking about travel. I was thinking about trips I took before and trips I want to take in the future.
Oh, wow, that's perfect, because today's topic is talking about travel plans.
Yes, I was just thinking about that topic today.
That's great. Travel is something many people love, and it's also a very useful topic for learning English.
Yes, because when you travel, you need English. At the airport, at the hotel, everywhere.
Exactly. So today we will talk slowly and simply about travel plans, where we want to go, how we feel, and small stories too.
Sounds very good.
Before we really move into the main topic, Zoe, can you tell everyone a little more about yourself?
Sure. Hi, everyone. My name is Zoe. I'm from the United States. I like coffee, walking, and talking with friends.
That sounds very nice and simple.
Yes, I think simple things make life happy.
I agree. For everyone listening, my name is Zach. I'm also from the USA. I love traveling, food, and meeting new people.
And Zach is very good at telling stories.
Haha, thank you, Zoe. I try my best.
So, Zach, when you hear the words travel plans, what do you think about first?
I think about excitement. I think about packing a bag. I think about going somewhere new.
Yes, I feel the same way. Even planning a trip makes me happy.
Me too. Sometimes I don't even travel. I just plan in my head.
Yes, I do that too. I look at pictures online and imagine myself there.
That's a great way to practice English too. You can imagine conversations.
Very true. So, Zach, do you remember your first big trip?
Yes, I do. My first big trip was when I was in college.
Oh, where did you go?
I went to another state in the US. It was not very far, but it felt big to me.
How did you feel before the trip?
I felt nervous and excited at the same time.
Nervous and excited. That's very common.
Yes, I was nervous because I didn't know what to expect.
And excited because something new was coming.
Exactly. I remember packing my bag the night before.
Did you pack too much?
Oh yes, I packed too many clothes.
Me too. I always think, what if I need this?
Same here. I packed things I never used.
That happens to many travelers.
Zoe, what about you? Do you have a travel plan right now?
Right now, I don't have a fixed plan.
A fixed plan means a clear plan, right?
Yes, but I have a dream plan.
A dream plan sounds nice. Tell us about it.
I want to travel to a quiet place, maybe near the ocean.
Oh, that sounds peaceful.
Yes, I imagine waking up early, hearing the sea, and drinking coffee.
That's a beautiful picture.
Thank you. I also want to walk a lot and talk to local people.
That's a great way to learn culture and language.
Yes, when I travel, I like slow travel.
Slow travel is very good for beginners in English, too. No rush.
Exactly. So, Zach, how do you usually make travel plans?
First, I think about time. How many days do I have?
Time is very important.
Then I think about money. How much can I spend?
Yes, money always matters.
After that, I choose a place. Sometimes a city, sometimes nature.
Do you plan everything or do you keep it open?
I plan some things, like the hotel, but I keep some days open.
I like that. It gives freedom.
Yes, sometimes the best moments are unplanned.
That's very true. Okay, everyone, now we are slowly moving into our main topic, talking about travel plans.
Before we continue, we want to ask you something.
Yes, if you enjoy learning English with us,
Please subscribe to English Podcast channel.
And click the like button. It really helps us a lot.
It really helps us make more episodes for you.
And please share this episode with your friends who want to learn English.
Thank you so much for your support. Okay, let's continue.
Zach, when you talk about travel plans in English, what simple sentences do you use?
Good question. I use simple sentences like, I want to travel to,
Yes, that's very easy.
or I plan to go next month,
Simple and clear.
or I'm thinking about visiting.
That's a very useful sentence.
Yes, beginners don't need long, difficult sentences.
Simple English is powerful.
Exactly. Zoe, do you prefer traveling alone or with someone?
I like both, but for long trips, I prefer traveling with someone.
Why is that?
Because I can share moments, talk about the day, eat together.
That's nice. I like traveling with one close friend.
Not a big group?
No, big groups can be noisy and stressful.
I understand. Small groups are calmer.
Yes, and easier to plan. Zoe, have you ever had a travel plan that didn't go well?
Oh, yes, many times.
Can you share one story?
Sure. One time I planned a trip to a city. I booked a hotel.
Sounds normal so far.
But then when I arrived, the hotel was full.
Oh no,
They made a mistake with my booking.
that must have been stressful.
Yes, I felt tired and worried.
What did you do?
I took a deep breath. Then I talked slowly and clearly.
That's very important.
Yes, finally they helped me find another place.
So even when travel plans go wrong, we can learn something.
Yes, stay calm, speak simply.
That's great advice. Zoe, what about food when you travel? Do you plan that too?
Not really. I like to try local food.
Me too. Food is a big part of travel. Sometimes I ask, what is popular here?
That's a very useful sentence.
Yes, simple questions help a lot. When you travel, do you like busy places or quiet places?
These days, I like quiet places more.
Same here. Busy places can be fun but tiring.
Yes, quiet places help me relax and think.
Travel is not just moving, it's also resting.
Very true. If someone listening wants to talk about travel plans in English, what should they practice?
I think they should practice 3 things.
What are they?
First, places, country names, city names.
Yes,
Second, time, words like next week, next year.
very important.
Third, feelings. I'm excited, I'm nervous.
Feelings make your English more real.
Exactly. Zoe, if you could travel anywhere right now, where would you go?
I would go somewhere warm.
Warm weather sounds nice.
Maybe near the sea, just like your dream.
Haha, maybe we have the same dream.
Maybe we do. I think travel plans show who we are.
Yes, our dreams, our needs,
Sometimes we want adventure, sometimes we want rest.
and both are okay.
Yes.
As we come to the end of this episode, let's share one small thought.
Okay.
Travel plans don't need to be perfect.
Yes, they just need to make you happy.
Even thinking about travel can bring joy.
And talking about it in English helps you learn.
So keep it simple, speak slowly, enjoy the process.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
And we hope it helps you talk about your own travel plans.
See you next time on English Podcast Channel.
Bye, everyone. Take care and keep learning.